Okay, I was going to make this part 2, but I'll just make this a separate video because there's not one video anywhere that explains how to get this off. This stock is extremely solid and pounded on here. How I ended up getting it off is I got me a piece of plastic that's semi-thick and I laid it on over here so I would not hurt this. Then I got me a plastic rubber mat. Let me make sure I'm in camera here. Sorry about that. Then I got this and I just tapped on this side and tapped on this side. And then it started putting pressure here. So I tried to put it either underneath. When I couldn't get it at all, I just slid it right here on the edge. Used this rubber mallet so I wouldn't hurt the wood and just did some tapping. And if you tap and tap and tap, it gets low enough. Then I was able to get a screwdriver in here and just slowly kind of rock it back and forth until it comes off. Man, this wood is freaking tight. And so this definitely needs to be cleaned. I haven't had this off, and there's not one video that I could find on removing the forend. And I was a little paranoid about breaking something. I didn't know if this went in here and had some pieces, so I looked at some replacement stocks and I noticed that it was flat. So I was like, okay, it must come straight down. It's the only way it come off. It was either going to slide forward or come back, and since it had 2 screws in, I figured it had to come straight down. It was just so tight I couldn't get it off. So that's how you remove the forend grip on a Rossi. Well, isn't that there?